Hi, Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to another My therabox mystery box unopening. And let's see what's in this month's mystery box. Now, the box is kind of wet on the side, so something I know is leaking on inside because here in Texas it is awfully hot. Well, the first thing I see when I open it is a Pamper Yourself book, which this book here shows you everything that's inside the box. It goes into very detailed about each product, as you can see, and that's what this little book is. It gives you a detail about every item. So the next thing the first thing, oh, this is cute. I like this. You get a Gen 3 bracelet, a nice little bracelet. And you also get, what is this? A sheet mask. A rose sheet mask. Face mask, excuse me, for your face. And then we have some work hard, this here. I cannot read the writing on it that well. It's in a bag. Let's see what it is. We will open up the bag and then put it back in. It comes in a nice bottle. Yeah, you can tell it's hot. It looks like it's orange. I will have to read up on that, guys, because I'm not sure exactly what this is. The writing is way too small for me to read. And then I found out what is leaking. This here is from Skin Chemist. It's a shampoo. Believe it or not, you can use caffeine. I'm going to take it out of the box because the box is wet. That means the heat is getting to it. And this is what it looks like. Kind of got smashed in there, so it's a little on the gooey side, but it's caffeine shampoo. I will be using this tonight, and I will let you know how it is. Also in here, we have Minimal Lumen Dark Spot Serum. For those that may have dark spots on your face or wherever. Now remember, you don't know if any of these products that I have in here, if I'm going to take one and put them in my own mystery box for you guys to try or not. And I never tell you which ones if I do. And here you have V.O. Rose Comet Peeling Gel. And I'm looking. And here we have Pamper Time card deck. So we will have another card game to play, guys. I am going to put this with this one. As you can see, they are sets. So these are cute little things for us to do once I get back to getting to that. And then here we have a makeup eraser. I will show you what it looks like. This is a makeup eraser. Okay. You don't know, you may get that in a box. Or in one of the mystery boxes. Who knows? Only I do. So let's put that back and put that here. And let's see if we got everything out. And that is everything. And that is this month's mystery box, guys. Now, it's time to put The box, like I said, is a little wet. I'm going to put everything else back in it except for the shampoo because the shampoo is leaking, so that will go in my bathroom. The rest of the stuff I'm just going to stick here in the box, like so, and put it back. And I will be going through this because I have my boxes set a certain way. So, for how I use them. So, that is this month's My therabox, which you can get at mytherabox.com. And here's the address of it, right? Let me get that in focus. There you go. It's a subscription box that helps, especially in these times when everybody is homebound and we're all stressed out because of, this COVID-19 that's going on. This actually helps lift your spirit. So why not pamper yourself with it? If you don't want to get it like I do, I get it a month-to-month subscription because I had planned to go see my sons this year, and then COVID happened, so that got canceled. But that's why I was doing a month-to-month. If you just want to get one box and try it out, they do have the gift subscriptions that you can give yourself a gift and try it out. And if you like what you get in the box, then you can move up to do the month-to-month like I do, or you can do a 3-month, a 6-month, or a year subscription. It's a beautiful way to pamper yourself and open happiness for yourself, especially in these very trying times. So check it out, guys. If there's any men watching, this, as you can tell, these My theraboxes have been put together and curated by mental health therapists, but they're mainly for females. But they do have gift boxes out there for men. You can check it out at cratejoy.com. But this is the one that I recommend because there are some things in here that are good for men. And I will put I will put a little something in My therabox's ear about having subscription boxes for men. Because as we know, mental illness does not just happen to females, it happens to men. And men also need things. That's why I do my own. And the things that I make and stuff are in my own boxes. Now, my box that I have is not big like this, okay? Because I'm not a company. I just put it in a small box, and it's different things that's helpful, whether you're a male or a female. If you would like to try one of them out, let me know. I do a giveaway on them. I don't charge anything for my boxes that I put together. My mystery boxes are free. I give them away. I will be doing it once a month. I wanted to do it this month, but certain things came up where I couldn't. But I do plan on getting together and giving that away. I hope you enjoyed this month's mystery box opening. And stay tuned for more videos. As things get straightened out, I will be giving an update and letting you know where I stand with things. And I do plan on getting back into doing my YouTube videos more. Until I see you later, remember, each and every one of you matter to me. Because I see you with my heart. I don't see with these. Yes, I can see you with my eyes, but I see you from within. Because that's what matters. What we see with these don't matter. These lie. You can look at somebody and they can look perfectly healthy, but your eyes don't tell you if there's a mental illness involved with that person. You don't know that until you see from the heart. When you see from the heart, you can see that. If anybody would like anything from my Teespring store, you can order it. But if, specifically if somebody would like me to send them a decal, let me know and I will see what I can do. Now, I am going to be doing another video after this that's going to be an update on where things are for me financially and everything else. And remember, guys, I don't get paid for any of this. These are not, therabox is not a paid sponsor. I am not getting paid 1 cent from them. I'm not getting paid a penny from YouTube. Everything I do, I pay for out of my own pocket, and that's because I want to help people. If you would like to contribute to help my channel and help me do things more for people, I would love that. You can donate to my PayPal account. Just go to my YouTube channel in the About section and click on my PayPal there and donate. Now, anybody that donates, I will be giving a special gift to. If they donate, I may give them, I don't know, I might give them one of my mystery boxes free, or I might give them some merch free. I'm going to make that a surprise. But that would be my way of saying thank you for helping my channel. So anyway, I'm glad that I got to do this with you and spend some time with you during these trying times. Remember, if you're having a rough time, reach out. You can reach out to me through any of my social medias. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Twitter. I have Messenger. I'm on Instagram. Reach out to me and I will answer you back. Because we are people that need people. That's the way we were made. And no one should be going through anything by themselves. Remember, I love you. Talk to you all later. Bye.